Hello everyone. Today we will discuss BSc Nursing CBT exam MCQs. So let's get started. The vulva includes all of the following except correct answer is C. Vagina. The vagina is an internal structure whereas the vulva includes external genitalia. Next question. Which part of the vulva protects the inner structures and contains sebaceous glands? Correct answer is B. Labia majora. Labia majora are fatty folds of skin that protect inner genitalia and contain glands. Next question. Pudendum is another term for. Correct answer is B. Female external genitalia. Pudendum is the anatomical term used synonymously with vulva. Next question. Which structure is not a part of the pudendum? Correct answer is C. Uterine tube. The uterine tube is an internal reproductive organ not part of the external pudendum. Next question. The normal pH of vaginal secretions in adult women is. Correct answer is C. 4.5. The acidic pH helps prevent infections by inhibiting bacterial growth. Next question. The vagina is lined with. Correct answer is B. Stratified squamous epithelium. This type of epithelium provides protection against friction during intercourse. Next question. Which hormone is primarily secreted by the ovaries? Correct answer is B. Estrogen. Estrogen is the main female sex hormone produced by the ovaries. Next question. The ovaries are located. Correct answer is C. On either side of the uterus. The ovaries lie in the pelvic cavity on each side of the uterus. Next question. The functional unit of the breast is. Correct answer is C. Lubule. Lubules contain alveoli that produce milk during lactation. Next question. The dark pigmented area around the nipple is called. Correct answer is B. Areola. Areola contains sebaceous glands and becomes darker during pregnancy. Next question. Dysmenorrhea refers to. Correct answer is B. Pain during menstruation. Dysmenorrhea is painful menstruational cramps occurring before or during menstruation. Next question. Primary dysmenorrhea is commonly due to. Correct answer is C. Prostaglandin overproduction. High levels of prostaglandins cause uterine muscle contractions and pain. Next question. A morula is formed after. Correct answer is C. 16 cell stage. Morula is a solid ball of cells formed by cleavage of a fertilized ovum. Next question. Morula is described as. Correct answer is C. Solid mass of cells. The morula is a dense cluster of cells without a cavity. Next question. Blastocyst contains all except. Correct answer is D. Amniotic fluid. Blastocyst does not contain amniotic fluid. It forms later after implantation. Next question. Blastocyst stage occurs on which day after fertilization? Correct answer is C. Day 5 to 6. The blastocyst typically forms 5 to 6 days post fertilization. Next question. Trophoblast is responsible for. Correct answer is C. Placenta formation. Trophoblast cells invade the endometrium and contribute to the placenta. Next question. Implantation usually occurs in the. Correct answer is C. Uterine cavity. The fertilized egg typically implants in the endometrium of the uterus. Next question. Which day post fertilization does implantation begin? Correct answer is B. Day 7. Implantation begins around day 6 to 7 post fertilization. Next question. The part of endometrium where implantation occurs is called. Correct answer is B. Decidoa bacillus. Decidoa bacillus interacts directly with the trophoblast to form the placenta. Next question. The decidoa that surrounds the developing embryo is. Correct answer is A. Decidoa capsularis. It is the part of endometrium that covers the embryo. Next question. The narrowest diameter of the pelvic outlet is. Correct answer is C. Interspinous. It is the distance between the ischial spinous and is the narrowest diameter. Next question. Which pelvic diameter is critical for vaginal delivery? Correct answer is C. Interspinous diameter. A narrow interspinous diameter may obstruct vaginal delivery. Next question. Clinical breast examination should ideally be performed. Correct answer is C. After menstruation, breasts are least tender and swollen 5 to 10 days after menses. Next question. A suspicious lump in breast examination is typically. Correct answer is B. Firm and fixed. A hard, immobile lump with irregular borders may indicate malignancy. Next question. The third stage of labor involves. Correct answer is C. Expulsion of the placenta. This stage starts after the birth of the baby and ends with placenta delivery. Next question. Signs of placental separation include. Correct answer is B. Umbilical cord retraction. Placental separation causes the cord to appear longer as it detaches. Next question. The fourth stage of labor lasts for. Correct answer is B. 1 hour. This is the immediate recovery period after placental delivery. Next question. The fourth stage of labor focuses on. Correct answer is C. Monitoring for hemorrhage. Observation for bleeding and vital signs is crucial in this stage. Next question. Which structure secretes progesterone after ovulation? Correct answer is B. Corpus luteum. Corpus luteum forms after ovulation and secretes progesterone to maintain the endometrium. Next question. Which layer of the uterus is shed during menstruation? Correct answer is C. Endometrium. The functional layer of the endometrium is shed during menstruation. Next question. Which hormone is essential for breast milk production? Correct answer is C. Prolactin. Prolactin stimulates milk production in the mammary glands. Next question. Which hormone causes milk ejection from the breast? Correct answer is C. Oxytocin. Oxytocin triggers contraction of myoepithelial cells for milk let down. Next question. When is breast self-examination ideally performed? Correct answer is C. 7th, 10th day of cycle. Hormonal influence is minimal during this phase, reducing tenderness and swelling.